Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're asked to solve this simple math problem. Okay, now don't forget I have a full video on any topic at all you are looking for in physics, chemistry and maths. So let us just solve this solution. Just go straight to my playlist side, you will see them. Okay, any topic at all. Now if we have this, what we'll do is just we have k raised to power 4 is equal to what? K minus 2 all raised to power 4. Now let us take this one to this side. I'm going to have that this is k raised to power 4 minus k minus 2 all raised to power 4 is equal to 0. Now we can reduce this to quadratic by saying that this is k raised to power 2 everything squared. Okay, minus, then this side should be k minus 2 all squared, then everything squared is equal to 0. Now 2 times 2 is giving us 4 and 2 times 2 is giving us 4 again. Okay, now but don't forget that this thing is difference of 2 squared. If I have the first person squared minus the second person squared, now this is something as saying that first person minus second person multiplied by that same first person plus second person. Okay, so if you know this, now let us apply it to this one. Now if I apply it to this one here, I'm going to have the first person, which is k squared is the first person, minus the second person there is what? K minus 2 all squared. Okay, then we're going to multiply it with the same thing again, that same first person plus the second person, k minus 2 all squared. Okay, is equal to 0. Now having this, if you look at inside this place again, this side is the difference of 2 squares again. Okay, so what do? We do the same thing again, that this side can give us the first person, which is k minus 2, then we close. We're going to multiply it by this k plus k minus 2. Okay, that is for these two. Then in bracket of k squared plus in bracket of k minus 2 all squared is equal to 0. Okay, now if we open the bracket here, we're going to be having that that k minus 2. Okay, then in bracket of k plus k minus 2, then in bracket of k squared plus k minus 2 all squared is equal to 0. Now if you see that k minus k is gone, so I'm having that minus 2 in bracket of, here is giving me 2k minus 2, then I'm having k squared plus k minus 2 all squared is equal to 0. Okay, now you should know that when the product of two things are equal to 0, automatically one of them must be 0. And if you look at it, you see that minus 2 can never be equal to 0. So minus 2 is not equal to 0. So therefore, we will conclude that 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Or we say that k squared plus k minus 2 all squared is equal to 0. So having this now, we are going to see that from here, so from here that we're going to see that 2k is equal to what? 2, and then k is equal to 2 divided by 2, which is what? 1. I've gotten that. Now from this side, I'm going to have from this side that this is k squared. Now to open this one, let us do somewhere, let's do somewhere here. Okay, let's do somewhere here to open this one. Now to open this one, I have that this is k minus 2 multiplied by another k minus 2, which will give us k times k squared, k times minus 2k, minus 2 times k will give you another minus 2k, then minus 2 times minus 2 will give you minus 4, sorry, plus 4. So which will give us k squared minus 4k plus what? 4. Okay, now but if you don't want to do it that way, you can, if you can say it, you can do it. Then let's say it together. What do? To expand this, you're going to say square the first one, you have k squared, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, that is minus 2k, double it to give you minus 4k, then square the last one, you have what? Plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's say it together. Square the first one, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, square the last one. Okay, So this will now give us 2k squared minus 4k plus 4 equal to 0. So if you look at it, see that 2 can divide everybody. So if 2 divide everybody, I'm going to have that k squared minus 2k plus 2 is equal to 0. Is this factorizable? Yes, it's factorizable, because I'm going to have that this is k squared. Instead of writing this, I can write it as minus k, then plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? Yeah, so I'm going to have that. What is common here is k. So k in bracket of k minus 1. So we have the same thing again, k minus 1. So is it factorizable? I don't think it's factorizable. Okay, no, this one will not work. Okay, and okay, minus k. This is giving me 2k squared. 2 divided I have k squared. K divided I have k divided I have 1. Okay, it's not factorizable. So what we are going to do is to solve it by completing the square method or the quadratic method. So for the quadratic method, I'm having that my a is equal to 1, my b is equal to minus 2, and then my c is equal to 2. So we have that k is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac everything over what? 2a. So this will now lead to 2k being equal to what? Minus into minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 all squared minus 4 into 1 then into 2. Okay, then everything over what? 2 into 1. So I'm having that k is equal to what? 2 here, plus or minus the square root of 4 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8 all over what? 2. So this is giving me 4 times 2 times, so yeah, 4 minus 8 to give us minus 4. So I'm having that k is equal to what? 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 all over 2. Okay, so I'm having that k is equal to what? 2 plus or minus 2i over 2. So which will give you 2 divided. I'm going to have that 1 plus or minus I. Okay, so therefore we got that k is equal to 1, then k is equal to 1 plus I, and then I have that 1 minus I. So these are all the values of k. Okay, so you can verify if it is correct. We can verify if it is correct. They gave us that so we got that k is 1. So let's check if 1 is correct here. So when k is 1, let's check when k is 1. So I'm going to have that 1 raised to power 4. Is this something as saying 1 minus 2 raised to power 4? So 1 raised to power 4 is 1, is equal to minus 1 raised to power 4. So 1 is equal to 1. So therefore, k is equal to 1 is a solution to that. Okay, so you can check for the complex side. Okay, you can check for the complex side. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget, I have a full video on any topic at all you want in maths, physics, and chemistry. Okay, may the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye bye.